My name is John Van Boxmeer. 5 years ago, whilst working as a doctor in the Pilbara, my life changed. Looking out the window, I saw a group of young Indigenous kids kicking around a can on a dusty oval. Not long after, I packed up a boot full of recycled sports equipment and donated it to communities over the 3,500 kilometres north of Perth. From here, Fair Game was born. Our initiative improves the health of Indigenous and migrant communities using recycled sports equipment to run education, fitness and wellness programs.
My name is Jordan Archer. At 16, I established my first non-for-profit organisation, Chant for Change, which includes well-known performers and talented individuals coming together all over Australia to put on nights of entertainment for the community. 5 years on, I have managed to raise thousands of dollars for another charity, Destiny Rescue. The charity seeks to free girls from sex trafficking and provide them with a home, skills and a fresh start. I believe that financial resources nor status should stop someone from acting out to help others around the world.
The world of science and engineering touches all of our lives. My name is Julian O'Shea and I'm a passionate believer that engineering and technology should improve the lives of others, particularly the less fortunate. Through the Engineers Without Borders Institute, we're already making an impact in communities in Australia and across the Asian continent. From improving infrastructure in landslide-affected areas of East Timor to bringing clean water through rainwater harvesting systems to schools and communities in Cambodia, I strongly believe that technology can be a force for good.
No matter what life throws at you, you can and should always dream big. My name is Jacqueline Feeny and in 2012, I was lucky enough to experience one of the greatest sporting events in recent memory, the London Paralympics. After years of hard work, I earned 8 gold medals for my country and broke 2 world records in the process. I could not be any more proud to have represented Australia at the highest level, and I'm looking forward to spreading the message and ideals of the Paralympic movement.
My name is Hui Nguyen. At the age of 18 months, I contracted polio. Leaving my homeland of Vietnam at the age of 6 for Australia is when I started using a wheelchair. My life as an engineer has been seen from a different view. I encourage students as a guest lecturer for inclusive design and advocate for people to try and see the world through the eyes of someone with a disability. I've been lucky enough to work around the world and further spread the importance of surroundings being inclusive for all.
My name is Emily Osborne. From a young age, I became a carer for my older sister who has been suffering from Rett syndrome since she was 18 months old. Being a carer at such a young age has taught me so much. Through this, I've become passionate about youth issues. I'm the chair of the Chief Minister's Roundtable of Young Territorians and work with other groups to make sure young people in the Territory have a voice. I've led a community initiative to start a youth suicide prevention day in my hometown of Gove and have focused on making the top end of our country a great place for our young.
In our world, nearly 800 million people still don't have access to safe water. My name is Daniel Flynn and at the age of 19 I founded Thank You Water, a social enterprise that sells bottled water to fund safe water projects in developing nations. Despite many setbacks and with the help of an amazing team around me, Thank You Water is now available in thousands of outlets around the country. To date, we've helped over 60,000 people gain access to safe water in 11 countries. It goes to show that a simple idea has the power to change the world.
Every year, malaria kills over 1 million people worldwide. My name is Claire Smith, and for the last 7 years, I've devoted my life to research that can eradicate malaria. Current treatments are rapidly failing, so if we're ever going to make inroads into curing this disease, we need to start thinking outside of the square. I'm excited that my research is leading to groundbreaking findings that can change the way we treat infectious disease. If you devote yourself to ideas and innovation, anything can be achieved. I cannot wait for the day that malaria was once a disease that affected the world.